Network Attached Storage Device, NAS. The idea is very simple. We need a central place that we can use to make a backup, to upload and access our files. The easiest way is to deploy something that is called a Network Attached Storage Device, NAS. I will not lie to you. My favorite device is from Synology. I've been using these devices for, I think, 10 years now. It should not be a surprise for you that I have a brand new device, but this time I want to show you how you can configure it. We will open the box and install it. Before we move on, it is worth mentioning that a NAS device is available as a tower device, something that I've got over here. You put it on your desk or in a small comms room. My device supports up to 2 disks, but a tower NAS device can support 2, 4, 8, 12 or even 16 disks. It's a different story if you want to take it to the next level. Let's say you have a big company or even a data center. You want to buy something that is called a rack-mounted device. You have a special rack, you install your NAS device over there. Okay, enough talking, let's open the box now. What's inside? A pretty small unit, a quick installation guide, and some cables. We have a network cable, actually 2, and a power supply unit. How does it work? At the back, we have 2 local area network ports. A USB port, we can connect an additional USB drive, power, and a security slot. What's that? You want to make sure that this device is in a way secured. This is a small box. It's very easy for anyone to grab it and take it away from your desk, from your shelf, and so on. We need something that will secure this device. The easiest way is to use a special lock, a cable lock, Kensington. It is a very popular solution for a laptop as well. Going back to our device. When we open it, we will see 2 slots for 2 hard drives. You can install up to 2 disks. A really unique feature of this device is that it is a toolless device. Believe it or not, but you don't need a screwdriver to install hard disks. That's the idea. Everything can be done without a screwdriver. I will show you how it works. When you check this tray, you remove these 2 plastic pieces. They will keep your hard disk in place. Come on, focus, focus. Here we go. You can see there is a hole that should be aligned. We put it all back together, slide it in, and that's it. We repeat this process for the second slot, for the second disk. You can ask, why do we have 2 disks in place? In most cases, in most scenarios, you want to have a backup of this backup. I know it sounds crazy, but that's the idea. In most cases, you will configure your device in a way that even though you have 2 hard disks, one will be a backup of the primary disk. Of course, you can just configure and use both disks. It is up to you. In most scenarios, this is what you're going to do. When you're ready, you put it all back together, power up, wait a few minutes. How can you access it? This is a wired device. You grab a network cable and connect it to a switch or a router. After a minute, you type find Synology.com. Come on, come on. Synology, I believe in you, come on. Here we go. Awesome. Connect. We will see a very basic wizard. This is the easiest way to get started. Sure, let's set it up. DSM is the brain behind our NAS. It's the operating system of a Synology NAS device. We want to install it. We will see a warning here. We will remove all data from your hard disks. That's okay, brand new disks. We have to provide a server name, username, password. A really interesting thing is that for security reasons, yes, we shouldn't use admin, but take a look. When you say administrator, well, it's allowed. I would not allow both, but to be fair, admin is a more popular word. The idea is you should not use admin. Quick Connect is a way to access your device using the internet, but you don't need to change anything on your router. This is based on something that is called dynamic DNS. You don't have to know a lot about this solution, just create an account and give it a go. That's it, our NAS is ready. If you're interested, please stay with me, let me know. I will record more lectures and show you how to use this device, how to create folders, share files, and enable really cool features.